Good day, sunshine. Good day, sunshine. Good day, sunshine.
I first began in solar a while ago. In the 1970s, there was a problem with our oil supply. OPEC countries decided to reduce production, and our economy had some problems with gas prices that went over $1. Solar looked like something where every day I could be helping. That's not only the population, but help clean our air, and I could look back and see a difference of what I did. The photovoltaic effect was discovered quite some time ago. When it was discovered that this strange material somehow generated a tiny amount of electricity when the sun shined on it. And over the past 50 years it's been refined, and scientists have discovered more how to make this do something useful. Anywhere the sun shines can collect solar energy. The sun provides about 1,000 watts per square meter of energy arriving at the surface of the planet. That's affected by type of weather and altitude and some other parameters, but we use an average of about 1,000 watts per square meter arriving at the planet. With this particular module, about 14% of that energy can find its way through our circuitry to get to your house. With a thin film product, it's approximately 10% of that 1,000 watts per square meter that can arrive at your electrical outlet. So the thin film technologies are trying to catch up. We've got conversion efficiencies, and we've got the mechanical problems solved, and it's just a matter of fine-tuning. Recently, there have been a lot of companies investigating what's called a thin film, or an organic type of photovoltaic panel. What we've seen since the 1940s has been a crystalline silicone. It's where a chip is manufactured, much like computer chips, either by growing a single crystal or casting a brick of silicone and slicing it like bread into thin wafers. Those are then like this. Those are put together with wires to carry electricity and then assembled in a whole module. The thin film is manufactured in a different way. It's a coating on top of some material, which could be glass or stainless steel or different types of composite materials. It's very, very thin. It doesn't have to be cut in place. It means you're using less material. Any facility, any building that needs solar, even an empty field. Most of our business right now, if you look at number of jobs, is houses. We're doing between 100 and 150 houses per month. There are more and more businesses and industries that are interested in installing this, so we're getting more requests, so we're installing more of those. I think that'll pick up quite a bit, especially with the new tax policies and as the economy changes a little bit. In 2003, I started a solar company and sold that when and then transitioned into Solar City when they wanted to open an office in Los Angeles. Solar City started in the summer of 2006 through the acquisition of two Northern California solar companies. Each of them had been around 7 or 8 years. So we started in California, and we have 8 offices in California. And we are right now the #1 residential solar installer in the state. We've expanded into Arizona, and we're rapidly, if not already, the #1 installer in Arizona. And we have an office in Portland, Oregon. Solar panels are not manufactured here. Our strength is that we can put together this raw material, these modules, and apply it to any situation. Different types of roofs, different areas, have different temperature and weather patterns. We can connect the appropriate equipment. This panel behaves in a certain way. There's some others that behave slightly differently. If you have an area with higher temperature, we may want to consider a module that likes higher temperature a little more. SolarSteady is end-to-end. We have an in-house engineering staff that will design the system, create the blueprints that we need to bring to the building department. We have the installation staff to put everything together. We also have servicing capacity, so if 10 years down the road there's a problem, or if someone wants to improve or increase the size of the system, we'll be doing service as well. So we'll take the best available technology and apply it to each individual location, each individual facility, and put it together. We have that niche. We intend to support the system throughout its lifetime, not just warranty, but continued attention. And we want to make sure these systems are durable. They're going to last a long time. It doesn't end when we get the permit, when we get the building department to say, okay, you're done. We're not really done. We're going to keep the system working forever. As long as it lasts, and as long as you keep it on the roof, we'll keep it working.
Good day, sunshine.
It's a lot of fun to work here. If you notice, we have our bike rack. 8 guys bicycle to work. After a long week, we need to relax a little, so we have a ping pong table. And every month or so, we have a barbecue at the end of the week. On rain days, we can do some work to enhance our skills a little. Obviously, we can't be on a roof at a client's house, but we can do some practicing on this roof. This is our operations manager, keeps everything running. That's Will.
That guy right
and
there.
Corey double checks all of our sales audits. He makes sure that the information's there to draw blueprints and interface with electricians and inspectors. Everything
We're on
else
a
on
high
the
dollar
toes.
documentary.
Very, very.
Yeah,
This is
awesome.
this is going to be on CNN next week.
Sweet. I didn't shower this morning. That's not good.
And you'll notice there are vans everywhere. We've got a lot of them running around
Yeah, I saw
Southern
them.
California. So that's pretty much it. We've got equipment ready to install on various houses. Crew they can come here in the morning, unload a pallet, and they're ready to go. We're installing at the rate of, it's kind of hard to tell, about 8 per week. Most of these jobs will be done in 2 days or less. That's pretty much the entire place.
Is there like a front to building that has like your
There's a sign in the front and there's another one on the back.
she might want to
Good day, sunshine.